the shadows. Good morning, everybody. As promised, I am going to do a quick little flip through of the latest journal that I have completed last night. It was supposed to be one big one, but it turns out that it was huge. So we are going to roll with it. I didn't put a tassel on this one. I just didn't think that it needed it. I really like the cover. So the book is a little bit bigger than the inserts or the signatures. So there's a pocket there. So this is the second book, or goes with the book, Miss Lily. And we know that she has already gone to the ball, or she got invited to the ball. So this is the man that she fancies. So you can put your own picture in there. Maybe I can prop this up with something. There, hopefully you guys can see that. And I know everybody uses this image. She's just so beautiful, and her dress is beautiful. A little bit of vintage lace. So this is her home. And I think that junk journals kind of tell a story, or should tell a story. And then when you get it, you continue on telling your own story. So here's the little key to her house. And there's the little lock and her front door. And she really likes ivies. So there's a little ivy. This is from the lace. Little mini book, Jane I. I love how this one turned out. And there's a little bird charm. This is a pocket. This is a pocket. Coffee stain papers. Some amethyst. And this is the book that her mom sent her. And then she can journal in that. Some more ledger paper. Old receipts for some leather goods. And a letter. Journal and tag. And some Tim Holtz mini paper clips. And this is their marriage license. And then there is a pocket in the back. And so that's it, folks. I really enjoyed making these two. They were really fun. They turned out really beautiful. And then here is the other one. They're roughly about the same size. Yeah. So have a great day, folks. Thanks for watching.